In our previous videos, we explored the registration process and how to obtain a card from Klarna. We also looked at how to make purchases and pay in installments. In this video, we will learn about the most important issues you may encounter while making payments through Klarna. For anyone who has used Shein, Zara, or any other online shopping site and intended to pay via Klarna, you may encounter some payment issues, and this happens due to the following reasons. A primary reason for encountering payment issues while using Klarna is frequently not having the Klarna mobile app downloaded and trying to make payments through a web browser instead. You are able to download the Klarna app from the Google Play Store for Android or the App Store for iOS devices. When providing your email and other personal information, it's crucial to remember these details and consistently use the exact same information, such as your email address and date of birth, across all applications where you register and utilize Klarna for purchases. This is due to the fact that these applications could interpret discrepancies or contradictions in information as a form of theft or fraud, potentially leading to issues when attempting to make payments through Klarna. Access the app as demonstrated in our prior videos. Navigate to your preferred shopping application, for instance Shein, then select an item you wish to purchase and place it into your shopping cart. Choose to pay with Klarna. You can also enter a discount code if you have one. Complete the order and request your items. Another common issue you might encounter when using Klarna Payment is a challenging registration process. This problem can be resolved by trying one of the following methods. To begin, confirm your internet speed. Second, uninstall the application and then reinstall it from the Google Play Store for Android or the App Store for iPhone, making sure to download the latest available version. Your email, the billing address, your full name, date of birth, gender, and mobile phone number. As we've stated, it is absolutely crucial to accurately remember and truthfully enter all this information to avoid any problems when ordering through Klarna. Additionally, you can activate payment notifications to receive timely reminders from Klarna about upcoming due payments. When the payment due date approaches, you will receive payment reminders via email. Should the payment become significantly overdue, reminders will then be dispatched as text messages to the mobile number you have registered. Should the invoice remain unpaid by the end of the payment period, the debt collection process will commence, and a complimentary initial payment reminder will be dispatched to you via email. This is followed by a sequence of 3 reminder messages, with each one incurring a reminder fee of €1.20. Klarna will then dispatch these 3 reminder messages in total. If no payment is received after the 3rd reminder, the case may be handed over to a debt collection agency, which will result in additional costs. If you wish to return an item, as soon as the merchant confirms receipt of the returned goods, whether partially or in full, they will issue a confirmation and promptly update your Klarna invoice. And you are only billed for the items you wish to retain. Should you return your entire order, the invoice will then be promptly closed. You are required to be at least 18 years of age to make payments using a Klarna invoice. Even though numerous retailers provide the option to pay via invoice, your ability to choose this payment method is contingent upon your personal financial standing. We sincerely hope that this information has proven to be beneficial to you, even if only in a small way. In the next video, we'll cover a set of frequently asked questions about the Klarna app. Share your opinions and questions in the comments, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel.